Welcome to lesson 1 of tutorial 6, polynomial. So in this video, we are going to discuss question 1 and I'm going to discuss question 1a. Find the values of p, q and r if. Right, if you see the form of this equation, it is actually in the form of px equals to dx qx plus rx. So if you see here, this is your p and this is d, divisor, q and remainder. So the only way to find the value of q and r is by doing long division. So I'm going to do long division. So for long division, find out your divisor first. So divisor is x minus 2. And then we're going to divide our polynomial with this divisor, x minus 2, and our p is x cubed plus 2x squared minus 3x plus 4. Okay, so now think about the factor of x to get x cubed. X multiply with what value to get x cubed? So x times with x squared will give you x cubed. Therefore, I am going to put x squared here in the same column as x squared. So x times x squared will give you x cubed. And then negative 2 times x squared will give you negative 2x squared. And then we're going to minus x cubed minus x cubed is 0. 2 minus negative 2 will give you 4x squared. And we are going to do this again. What is the factor of x to give you 4x squared? So x multiply with 4x. Right, so x multiply with 4x, and since this is positive value, so put plus here. So x times 4x will give you 4x squared. And I forgot one thing, that you have to take down the negative 3x here. Okay, take down the negative 3x. Okay, then x times 4x is 4x squared. Negative 2 times 4x is negative 8x. Alright, so minus 4x squared minus 4x squared is 0. Negative 3 minus negative 8, which is negative 3 plus 8. So which is 5x. Take down the 4. Alright, so last step, what is the factor of x to get 5x? This is easy. Factor of x is 5. So x times 5 is 5x minus 10. And if you minus this equation, 4 minus negative 10 is 14. So from this long division, you can find out your q. Up here is your q, and down here is your remainder r. So if you write this in standard form, you will have px equals to dx qx plus rx. So your solution is px equals to x minus 2 x squared plus 4x plus 5 plus your remainder is 14. And then we compare with the equation. Then you have p equals to 4, q equals to 5, and r equals to 14. Done. So that's how you do question 1. The only way to find the value is by doing long division. So same goes for question B and C. So first you need to find out what is your divisor before you can do long division. and then your answer in standard form compare with the equation given. So I will leave that for your task. So your task is to complete question 1, B and C. Now let's proceed to question 2. Given px is 2x cubed plus x squared minus 8x minus 4, show that x plus 2 is a factor of p. Factorize p completely, hence find all the roots of the equation. So we start with question A. Show that x plus 2 is a factor of p. So this question needs you to use factor theorem. How do you show that x plus 2 is a factor? Is when you substitute x equals to negative 2 into p, then you will get 0. So let's do that first. So substitute x equals to negative 2 into p. Calculate, use your calculator. Then you will have 0. So conclusion is x plus 2 is a factor of p. So that is simple. Next question, factorize p completely. So to factorize p completely, since you already have one factor, we can do long division using that factor. So I will use long division. Your factor is x plus 2, that will be your divisor. And inside here is your p, 2x cubed plus x squared minus 8x minus 4. So as usual, I will separate the term so it'll be easier for you to write. Right, so x times what to get 2x cubed? So x times 2x squared, then you will have 2x cubed. Then 2 times 2x squared is 4x squared. Right, so minus, this will be 0. X squared minus 4x squared is negative 3x squared. Take down the negative 8x. So x times negative 3x will give you negative 3x squared minus 6x. And then again, minus the two equation. This is 0. Negative 8 minus negative 6 is negative 2x. So take down the negative 4. And last one, x times with negative 2 will give you negative 2x minus 4. And since it's the same value, final answer, you have no remainder here, 0. Then finally, we are going to write this in standard form. So we know this is your Q, this is your P, and this is your divisor. So in standard form, Px equals to dx qx plus rx, where your rx is here, 0. Then your answer should be x plus 2 times 2x squared minus 3x minus 2. Now we still have quadratic function here where you can factorize again. So when you factorize that quadratic function, you can use calculator to factorize that. Then you will have x minus 2, 2x plus 1. Done. So we're done, we factorized completely. So the next question, find all the roots of the equation px equal to 0. So to find the root of the equation, when px equal to 0, you simply compare your factor with 0. Then x equals to negative 2, x equals to 2, and x equals to negative 1 over 2 are your roots. That's done. So that's it for question 2. So hopefully you know how to do factor theorem. You know how to factorize completely when you are given one factor. And you know how to find the roots of the equation. So your task is to do question 3.